Hello everyone, today I am going to plant trees in this part of Kaingin where it is no longer in use. And I think this site is the best to plant these mahogany trees. I have already cleared the area and dig holes. So let's start.
In a world where forests are shrinking, this small act becomes a quiet protest, a promise to the earth that we still care. Eco-literacy teaches us that we are part of nature, not above it. And by planting trees, we restore balance, we give back, and we heal. This seedling will grow not just with sunlight and rain, but with the hope that our generation can do better. Let's grow more than just trees. Let's grow awareness. Let's grow responsibility. And let's grow love for the only planet we have. Be eco-literate. Be the change. I am Justin A. Salutin, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics, third year Descartes.
It's done!